Hey crafty darlins, come soar with me for a moment. Can you feel that crisp, creative energy in the autumn air? I've tried to capture that exact feeling, that cozy golden magic, in a brand new digital kit I created just for you. It's my gift to celebrate our November challenge, and I want you to have it completely free. Let's take a quiet moment to look through all the beautiful pages together. I hope you enjoyed that cozy little look at our November kit. Imagine all the beautiful journals you could create with those pages. To get this entire digital kit free, all you have to do is join our incredible community over on Facebook. It's called Junk Journal Joy with April Storm. I've put a direct link right at the top of the description box below. Click it and come say hello. Grab your free kit, join our November challenge. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to April Storm Paper Studio so you don't miss out on more creative inspiration. Now, until next time, go create something joyful. Wishing you a creative and cozy day. Bye for now.